Hi everybody, it's Miss Raymore. I'm trying to fix this so it's not sideways. You guys are gonna have to help me figure out how to do this. And you might hear Ryder, he's in here chewing some of his, 25 toys that he has. Okay, so let's talk about adding fractions that have different denominators. Remember, you can't just say 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 4 is 9. It must be 3 9ths. No, it doesn't work that way. So today we talked about using an area model. And that's the same way on your homework. So I'm going to draw two rectangles, one for each fraction here. This one, I'm going to represent 2/5. So I'm going to draw 4 lines. Remember, you draw one less line than the pieces you want. So if I want fifths, I draw 4 lines. Then I'm going to shade in lightly 2 of them. So there's my 2/5. Over here, let's go horizontal lines, and I want fourths. So I'm going to draw 3 lines, and we're going to shade in the bottom one. So now you just flip-flop. So this was fourths, this was fifths. We're going to make this into fourths now. So I'm going to draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. And this one was fourths, so I'm going to make this into fifths by drawing 4 lines up and down like I did over here before. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now over here I have shaded 2, 4, 6, 8 out of, well, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 4 by 5. That's 20. So 8/20ths there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded in out of another 5 by 4, which is 20. Now we have that common denominator. 8/20ths plus 5/20ths. 13/20ths. Hopefully you can see that. 13/20ths. So I can ask myself, can I simplify this? Is there a number I can divide both 13 and 20 by evenly? Well, nothing. There's no number I can divide both of these by evenly. So this is the final answer. Okay, now let me switch papers. Let's go back talking about equivalent fractions. So on the first page in our workbook, we did these. To find an equivalent fraction to 3/5, I just multiply the top and the bottom number by the same number, but any number I want. So let's say 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 3/5 and 6/10 are equivalent. I could even do 3/5. I could multiply the top and the bottom, I don't know, say by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 3/5 and 15/25 are equivalent. They're equal, same amount. 2/7. This time I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3, let's say. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. So 2/7 and 6/21 are equivalent. They're equal. I'll do another one. This time I'll multiply. Let's see, I haven't done a 4 yet. How about 4? 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. So 2/7 and 8/28 are equivalent. 1/9. Oh, let's see. Let's try 7. 1/9 is equivalent to 7/63. It's also equivalent to, how about 8? So let's times the top and bottom by 8. 8/72. And yes, that is how you say it. It sounds kind of weird, but you do read that 8/72. So I hope that helps a little bit. I'm going to come back and do another video going back to adding fractions with unlike denominators, and I'll do one that is improper, like on the back of your homework. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that notification bell. There's Ryder. Look at all those toys. Too many toys. Yeah, I see you. Oh, I see you. Too many toys, Ryder.